Hello, everybody. I'm back. I'm VJ. I'm Valianti, and I'm back with one more story for today. Now, for those of you who are looking at me and wondering why I'm looking so tired and why my nose is red, well, I'm not feeling too well. I almost thought of canceling today's live, but then I thought that's not fair. I'm sure there are children out there waiting for my bedtime story. So here I am today. I dragged myself out of my bed, had a hot cup of coffee, put some makeup on, wore some nice clothes, wore my favorite earrings, and here I am. Today, today's story is going to be slightly funny, slightly comical, slightly red like my red nose. So, let us start. So, today's story is about a girl named Deepthi. Nice name, na? Deepthi is a lovely name. But everybody knew Deepthi as Achu. Funny? And you know why? They called her Achu or Red Nose. And they found it very funny. Now, I'll tell you why. Can you guess? Can you guess why people used to call her Red Nose or Achu? कोई guesses? कोई guess है तो comment section में डालो. Let me see how good your guess is. So little Deepthi was called Achu. You got it? Or Red Nose. They called her Achu because she caught a cold very often. जब भी देखो उसको सर्दी होती है. If she played too much and she was sweating, then she would catch a cold. If she played in the water a lot, then she caught a cold. If she helped her mother in the dusting, then also she got a cold. She would catch a cold no matter what she did. She could very easily catch a cold. Like how auntie has now. I have a cold. And then once she caught the cold, she would go around the house sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! And her nose would become red like this. Red like Rudolph's nose. Or red like my nose. And do you know who Rudolph is? Rudolph is Santa Claus's reindeer. And little Rudolph had a red nose. I think he had a red nose because he used to lead the pack. You know, when you're right in the front, imagine if you're going on a bike and you're sitting right in the front, और ठंडी हवा जब मुंह पे लगती है ना, तो तभी हमारा nose ऐसा red हो जाता है. So maybe that is why they called her Rudolph. So poor Deepthi, the poor little girl with the red nose and having a cold most of the time, used to go around her house, the market, the school, the playground, anywhere she went, she would go, achoo, achoo, achoo. Now once, it was during Diwali, and her parents, now how we are having Diwali now, next week will be Diwali. So during Diwali's there, I'm stuck in the word Diwali. So during Diwali, Deepthi and her parents dressed up in their finest new clothes and went visiting all their friends and neighbors with sweets. हम जाते हैं, आप जाते हो? Now you should not because it is COVID. So you should stay at home, you should stay safe, and if you're going with sweets to your friend's house, make sure that you wear a mask, okay? So Deepthi and her friends dressed up in their finest because they were going to take sweets to their family and friends. Mummy wore the finest red and green Banarsi sari, and then she wore her new gold necklace. The gold necklace was very, very beautiful and had a big diamond shining right in the center. She had matching earrings too, and she looked very, very, very beautiful. Achu too was wearing a pink dress and a lovely pearl chain around her neck. Now she cannot wear gold, na? Hi, Yashonaya. I'm so happy to see you here. So today we're talking about Achu. So Achu was wearing a pink dress and a lovely pearl chain around her neck. As they went everywhere to everybody's house, everyone complimented Achu and her mother for their beautiful necklaces. अरे वाह, बहुत सुंदर है, कितना बड़ा डायमंड है. These pearls are so beautiful. The more people complimented them, the more happy they got. आपको भी अच्छा लगता है ना? If somebody with compliments you and says, "What a beautiful dress you are wearing," you feel so nice. So Achu and her mother were also very happy, and the more proud they felt. And when you feel proud, you automatically stand straight, and you will walk like this. Oh, I'm the best. I'm the best. So they walked around like this, saying, "Oh, I've got the beautiful chain. Oh, I look very beautiful." So that is how they were walking around. Now, as they were walking around, it was time for them to come back home. So they returned home and were very, very happy. I mean, who wouldn't be happy? Everybody is saying good things about them. So they'll be happy, you know. But they didn't realize that as they were happy, there was somebody else who was very, very happy. You want to know who that is? I'll tell you who that is in some time. So they came home, and then before dinner, Achu and her family burst crackers. Now, every Diwali, we all burst crackers. We say that we should be eco-friendly and we shouldn't burst crackers. But even then, chori chupe, thoda thoda crackers, तो हम सब तोड़ते हैं, फोड़ते हैं. So like that, Achu and her family also burst crackers. But this year, you must not burst crackers. It's bad for health, okay? After they finish bursting crackers burst karte, so what happens? There are fumes, there is gas, and Achu got an allergy all over again. So Deepthi started rubbing her nose and it became red like my nose. Then they sat for dinner. They had puri, chole, and halwa. My favorite. I love puri chole. And then, after eating a nice, tummy feeling dinner, they went to sleep. Now, remember, I told you there were two other people who were very happy to see Achu and her mother dressed well? They were robbers. There were two chores who were watching Achu and her mother wearing those beautiful necklaces. And what did they do? They quietly sneaked into Achu's house and hid behind the drums in the backyard. They waited for everybody to go to sleep. And when they were sure that everybody had gone to sleep, the robbers slowly opened the kitchen window and then they climbed in and slowly they crept through the kitchen and slowly, without making a sound, they climbed up the stairs into Arju's mummy and papa's room. They quietly tiptoed, tiptoed when you walk at the tip of your toes without making a sound. They tiptoed to the cupboard and they opened the cupboard. Achu's mummy and daddy were sleeping soundly. They didn't hear a word. The robbers then opened the cupboard and then they pulled out the boxes having the gold necklace and the pearl chain. As they pulled it out, you know what happened? As they pulled it out, achoo! There was a loud sneeze behind them. When they heard that sound, dadam, they dropped the boxes. They got so startled. You will also be startled, na? If you are sitting quietly doing something and suddenly somebody comes behind you and does, achoo! So they also got shook like this and they dropped the boxes from their hand. And then You know why they heard the sneeze? Because poor Achu, she had got the allergy. Her nose was red and she was sneezing, so she couldn't sleep. So she got up from her own room and she came to sleep with mommy and papa in their room. And as she walked into the room, she sneezed. And she sneezed so loudly, so loudly, so loudly that the robbers were startled. एकदम डर गए वो लोग. Now when they dropped the boxes from their hand, दीप्ति's मम्मी एंड डैडी got up. आवाज आई ना, धड़ाम करके आवाज आई. पहले क्या आवाज आई? Achoo! That loud sneeze. Second क्या आवाज आई? Boxes नीचे गिरने की धड़ाम. So they got up. And then, seeing the robbers, Deepti's mother started screaming, "Bachao! Bachao! Chor aaya! Chor aaya! Bachao! Bachao! Bachao!" And Deepti's father jumped out of the bed and caught hold of these two fellows. The robbers, he caught hold of them. Now, Deepti's mother was screaming so loudly that all the neighbors got up and came banging at their door. So Deepti's mother ran down the stairs and opened the door, and all the neighbors rushed up. And seeing Achu's father struggling with these two robbers, all the neighbors did taram, tishum, tishum, one kick here, one punch there. They beat up the robbers into a pulp. And then they called the police. The police came and caught hold of these two fellows. ऐसा कॉलर ऐसा पकड़ के पूछा, क्या कर रहे थे? So the robber said, "Sorry sir, चोरी करने आए थे." So then they said, तो चोरी किया तुम लोग ने और भागे क्यों नहीं तुम लोग? So you know what they said? They said, "We would have taken these boxes and run away." But then one big giant came and sneezed in our ears. The giant came quietly behind us and went, "Achoo!" So the police said, "Giant? कौन सा giant? Who's the giant here?" And they all started looking. So the robber said, "Arey sir, that giant was so loud that we got scared and we didn't want to look at the giant. अगर giant को देखते वो मारता ना हमको, so we didn't look at the giant. Sorry sir, माफ कर दो sir, हमको जाने दो sir, please, please." Hearing this, everybody started laughing. And why were they laughing? I will tell you. When they were laughing, Deepti's father brought Deepti in front. They brought Achu in front. And then they said, "This is the little girl who sneezed so hard that you fellows got scared." Everybody started laughing and the robbers felt absolutely stupid. इतनी छोटी सी बच्ची. But that is how loud Achu used to sneeze. The police took the robbers away and locked them in prison. And on Diwali day, Achu or Deepti was awarded the Bravery Award for scaring the robbers away. And from that day on, you know what they used to call Achu? They used to call Achu the Gentle Giant. And she was known as the girl who scared the robbers with her what? Achu! With her Achu! I hope you liked the story. This was a story that Auntie wanted to write because since morning, Auntie has been sneezing, 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 sneezing. I got up from the bed, I was sneezing. I was having my breakfast, I was sneezing. I was putting the clothes out to dry, I was sneezing. And so I thought, let me write a story about a girl who sneezes. And so today's story was Achu! The story of Deepti, a girl who was called Achu. I hope you liked the story. If you did like the story, you must write in the comments. And if you love Auntie stories, then you must tell all your friends to join Auntie on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 o'clock because Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 o'clock. See, Auntie has forgotten. Auntie is sneezing, sneezing, sneezing. She's forgotten. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday At 8 o'clock, Auntie will come with a story just for you children. These are bedtime stories by VJ, and these are stories which are unique, which are different, and which are one of a kind. And these stories are written only for my little children so that they can listen to these stories and go to sleep and dream of being brave, of being strong, of being intelligent, and of always being the heroes of their own stories. All right. With that, I end today's story. Good night. Sleep well. Bye bye.